to collaborate among themselves and with the governments on the process of developing priorities and projects for collaboration. Congratulations to both governments for taking this meaningful step forward. Indeed. We congratulate you on taking this meaningful step forward. We'll capture the moment here for posterity. We thank you, Honorable Secretaries. We thank you, Your Excellencies, for being our honorable witnesses as we now introduce our next signing. I'm pleased to next welcome to the stage the Government of the Republic of Kenya and Google, who will be moving on to an MOU or a joint statement between Google and the Ministry of Information and Communications and the digital economy on accelerating digital transformation in Kenya. I invite Mr. Charles Ruto, Regional Director, Government Affairs and Public Policy, Sub-Saharan Africa, Google, Engineer John Tanui, Principal Secretary, State Department for ICT and the Digital Economy of Kenya, to the signing table with your respective witnesses. This joint statement of collaboration will lead to enhancing digital infrastructure, harnessing artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, facilitating data-driven innovation, and empowering digital upskilling for the people of Kenya. Congratulations. Your collaboration is a testament to the shared vision of our nations, and we commend this signing. The third MOU will be signed between Acorn Holdings Limited and the United States International Development Finance Corporation. Let us at this time welcome to the stage Mr. Edward Kirathi, CEO of Acorn Holdings, and Mr. Scott Nathan, CEO of the U.S. International Development Finance Corporation, or DFC, with your respective witnesses. Welcome, gentlemen. We are pleased to be joined at this time by our colleagues at Marathon Digital, who will be participating in a signing ceremony that reflects their MOU partnership between Marathon Digital Holdings and the Ministry of Energy and Petroleum of the Republic of Kenya. I believe at this time we are being joined by the Honorable Prime Cabinet Secretary to serve as a signatory. Welcome.
Thank you. The name was too hard.
No, I know it very We are pleased to be joined today by Mr. Fred Thiel, Chairman and CEO of Marathon Digital Holdings, and the Honorable Dr. Musalia Mudavadi, Prime Cabinet Secretary and Cabinet Secretary for Foreign and Diaspora Affairs of Kenya. They will be signing this MOU partnership on behalf of the Ministry of Energy and Petroleum of the Republic of Kenya and Marathon Digital Holdings. This agreement, you may begin signing. This agreement will deliver over $80 million worth of investment in establishing green data centers to boost renewable energy utilization and optimization in Kenya. Thank you. Congratulations to Marathon Digital Holdings and the Republic of Kenya on this deal that will boost renewable energy utilization and optimization in Kenya. We look forward to the fruitful outcomes of your collaboration. Thank you very much. We'll have our next signing ceremony, I believe, will also involve the Honorable Prime Cabinet Secretary. We're very pleased to begin the process of our next signing ceremony. This partnership is a partnership between Siemens Healthineers and RVL Healthcare of Kenya. Please welcome, who are seated at the table, Mr. Vivek Kanade, Managing Director for Middle East and Africa for Siemens Healthineers, and Mr. Leela Padid Mukala, founder and CEO of Red Hill Cancer Center, who are joined today by honorable witnesses as they cement an agreement that will help establish a center of excellence for cancer care in Kenya, intending to open in 2025 and to serve patients in Kenya and across East Africa. Thank you. We join the President and the Ambassador in congratulating you on the joint endeavors that you have undertaken. We will now proceed to our next deal signing. Welcome, welcome. At this time, we will proceed with the MOU signing that will take place between Acorn Holdings Limited, the U.S. International Development Finance Corporation, and partners. We are pleased to welcome to the stage Mr. Edward Kirathi, CEO of Acorn Holdings, and Mr. Scott Nathan, CEO of the U.S. International Development Finance Corporation. This agreement will now allow Acorn to develop 35 new projects in Kenya, offering an additional 48,000 student beds as the largest portfolio of affordable green housing in Africa. We understand that Standard Bank will also finance some aspects of the project, and they are joining as honorable witnesses for this occasion. Perfect. Congratulations on this partnership. We look forward to the fruitful outcomes of your collaboration. Congratulations again. That's quite an achievement. And finally, last but not least, is an MOU signing that I'm pleased to welcome to the stage that will take place between Microsoft in collaboration with G42 and the government of Kenya. As my colleagues prepare the stage for this signing, allow me to tell you that this three-party signing between Microsoft, G42, and the government of Kenya has already made quite a bit of news, and so I'm pleased to welcome to the stage Mr. Brad Smith, Vice Chair and CEO of Microsoft, Vice Chair and President of Microsoft. We're joined as well by His Excellency Dr. Musalia Mudavadi, Prime Cabinet Secretary and Secretary for Foreign and Diaspora Affairs, and their respective witnesses to finalize a series of signing agreements. We're joined as well by the CEO of G42, Mr. Peng Zhao. This letter of intent of a $1 billion investment will be led by G42 This investment will be led by G42 to build a state-of-the-art green data center in Olkaria, Kenya. Congratulations on this $1 billion letter of intent. Wonderful. Let's give that another round of applause. With this last signature, we conclude the MOU and deal signing ceremony. We celebrate the partnerships formed today and the bright future ahead, and we thank His Excellency for being a witness to the power of what this partnership can bring, and Ambassador Whitman for being a critical partner in making this possible. Thank you very much.